Hi, morning everyone, and welcome to this week's Monday Message Assembly. So, I tried to keep these as short as possible to give you a chance to get on with your home learning and to get on with your day, and so I want to keep this one quite short too. So today is Monday the 22nd of February, and tonight we are expecting an announcement about what is going to happen on the 8th of March in terms of whether schools are going to go back or not. And we don't know whether they are, and we don't know whether they're not. We don't know whether some year groups are going to come back. We don't know whether everybody's going to come back, but we will find out later on, and I will be writing to all of you parents and letting you know, everybody with all the children, about what is going to be happening. But we definitely know that we have got 2 more weeks of home learning. So whether you print your packs or whether you download them at home or whether you collect a printed pack, and some of you are joining Zoom sessions, some of you are watching things on YouTube. And I really want to know from you as children and from you as parents, if this continues to go on, what would be really helpful to help with learning? So we've already given out lots of devices, we're printing packs, we're holding Zoom calls, we're trialing live lessons. So there's lots of things that are already happening, but I would like you to let me know what would be really beneficial for you as children, for you as parents, to make the most of this time of learning at home. And I realise it's super challenging, and actually it's not the same as being at school, and it's a lot harder to focus and to get on with your work and to not have the teachers around you. But we can't help that. So finally, for the final time, I'll ask you, what is it that would make the difference? What do you think would be really helpful to you as a child, and what would be really helpful to you as a parent? And what I'd like you to do is go to the Contact Your Teacher section of the website, and I would like you to go to the Find Mr. Flory, and I'd like you to message me with what it is that you think would make a difference. And what I'm going to do with all that information is to collect it together, to talk to my teachers, and to try to include as many of those responses as we can in making a bespoke package to support all of you. And when I say bespoke, that means that we try and cater for as many people's needs as possible of the website. And I would like you to go to the Find Mr. Flory, and I'd like you to message me with what it is that you think would make a difference. And what I'm going to do with all that information is to collect it together, to talk to my teachers, and to try to include as many of those responses as we can in making a bespoke package to support all of you. And when I say bespoke, that means that we try and cater for as many people's needs as possible. So we might not get to do everything that we want to do, we might not be able to include everybody's wants and needs, but we will do all that we can to make sure that learning at home is as successful as it can be for as long as it needs to be. So I will be in touch in the next few days to talk to you about what we're going to do with whatever announcement comes this evening regarding March the 8th. But as I say, we've got at least 2 weeks of home learning to continue. So I want you to really get your thinking caps on of what we could do as a school to make learning at home as easy and as successful as possible for you. Okay, have a think, let me know via the Contact Your Teacher section of the website, and I can't wait to share all the special mentions on Friday. Take care, have a great week everybody, and learn well.